Hey guys, welcome back again to Passive Income Secret. This is Ankush Shetty and today we are going to dive into 10 powerful strategies to double your affiliate marketing income in just under 6 months. If you're ready to level up your passive income game, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and let's get started. So guys, if you're watching me first time, this is Ankush Shetty, a 6-figure high-ticket affiliate marketer and a Facebook organic marketing expert. So in this channel, I teach about the tactics and strategies for how to make money online with affiliate marketing and generate a passive income without spending any money on paid ads and expensive software. And the best part is how you can do it without sell anything by yourself. So here are the 10 powerful strategies to double your affiliate income in just under 6 months. So number 1, niche down. First things first. Let's talk about niching down. By focusing on a specific niche, you will be able to target a more dedicated audience and provide them with tailored content that they will love. This will lead to higher conversion rates and ultimately more affiliate income. Okay, so take a moment to analyze your content niche and see if there's a room to narrow it down even further. So let me give you example in there. Okay, in my case, let's say I'm into the wealth niche. Okay, in the wealth also there are multiple ways to make money, right? So you can start the offline business, you can do the online business. So I choose the online business. So in the online also there are a lot of ways to be wealthy. Okay, but I choose how to make money online. All right, so in the make money online also I narrowed down it to how to make money online with affiliate marketing, and I narrowed down it to more like in the affiliate marketing we sell digital products. I more narrowed on it. In the digital products also we are more focused on selling information products. So in the information also we narrowed down it to more like we sell high ticket information products. You can see how narrow we choose the niche. So this is how you need to be more specific when you're choosing niche. Number 2, you need to pick a high ticket products. Okay, when I say high ticket means where you're getting commissions or you're making money of at least $500 plus. Okay, so next up, consider promoting high ticket products. These products have a higher price point, which means you will earn more commissions per sale. So look for products that offer great value and have a proven track record of success in your niche. And number 3, optimize your content. So to boost your affiliate income, make sure your content is optimized for both search engines and your audience. Use relevant keywords, create engaging titles, and provide valuable informations that keep viewers coming back for more and more. And number 4, build an email list. This is the biggest asset when you're building an online list. Okay, an email list is a powerful tool for any affiliate marketer, any kind of online business. For building a list of engaged subscribers, you can promote your affiliate products directly to their inboxes. So increasing the chances of making a sale, offer a valuable lead magnet to entice people to sign up, and consistently provide valuable content to keep them engaged. Trust me guys, my half of my revenue I used to generate with the email marketing. So don't leave that. Okay, don't leave the asset. Email marketing is a big asset in this game. And number 5, leverage social media. Don't forget about the power of social media. Share your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your affiliate offers. Like traffic equal to customers. How much traffic you drive to your offers, that much money you're going to make. And number 6, create product reviews. Product reviews are a fantastic way to showcase the benefits of the products you're promoting. So like create in-depth, honest reviews that highlight the pros and cons of each product and include your affiliate links for reviewers to make a purchase. Number 7, offer exclusive bonuses. So you need to stand out from the competition. Consider offering exclusive bonuses to your audience when they purchase through your affiliate link. This could be any free ebook, any video course, or even one-to-one mentorship. Okay, your own coaching. The more valuable the bonuses, the more likely people are to buy through your link. So you need to stand out from the crowd. Number 8, collaborate with other creators. So partner up with other creators in your niche to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. You can create joint content, host webinars, and even run a giveaway together. Okay, so this will not only help you grow your audience but also increase your affiliate income also. So this is a very big chance to grow your business. And number 9, track and analyze your results. Okay, keep a close eye on your affiliate marketing performance, analyze which strategies are working best for you and double down on those. Okay, don't be afraid to test new tactics and make adjustment as you need it. Number 10, invest in your education. Lastly, never stop learning, guys. Invest in your education by attending webinars, reading books and joining online communities to stay up to date with the latest affiliate marketing trends and strategies. So that's it, folks. Those are the 10 ways to double your affiliate income in just under 6 months. And guys, if you want to learn how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 a day with affiliate marketing in just 3 short days on semi-autopilot mode, and more importantly, how do you build that long-term and sustainable online business, then I would like you to invite to our brand new the 3-day affiliate battle plan challenge, where we will walk you through our step-by-step methodology on how you can make it too. Okay guys, so guys, please click link in the description and sign up for the challenge. And if you guys have any questions while going through the challenge, please drop your questions in the comment section and I will personally respond to each and every question I can. So that's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep hustling and chasing those passive income dreams.